Welcome. Today we are making cheap and easy Indian onion pakoras, crisp golden fritters with sweet onion inside and a spiced crunchy outside. This recipe serves 4 people and takes about 30 minutes, perfect when you want a budget-friendly fried snack that feels special. First, for our ingredient tour, we start with 2 medium yellow onions, about 12 ounces total. They are the heart of the pakoras, turning sweet and tender while the edges fry crisp. 1 cup of gram flour, also called besan, gives the batter its nutty Indian flavor and helps the onion strands bind together without eggs. 2 tablespoons of rice flour make the pakoras lighter and extra crisp, which is the small trick that keeps them from tasting heavy. 1 small green chili adds fresh heat. Use it finely chopped so the spice spreads through the batter instead of landing in one strong bite. 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger brings warmth and brightness, balancing the fried richness with a sharp aromatic note. 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro adds color and a clean herbal finish. We will mix most of it in and save a little for the top. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds gives little earthy pops of flavor, especially once the seeds hit the hot oil inside the fritters. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric gives the batter a warm golden color and a gentle earthy base. 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder adds a deeper spice and a warm color, without making the pakoras overwhelming. 1 teaspoon of fine salt seasons the onions and also helps draw out moisture, so we need less added water later. 3 tablespoons of water are just enough to loosen the batter. Add it slowly, because the onions will already release their own moisture. 3 cups of neutral oil are for frying. Choose an oil with a clean flavor so the onion, spices, and gram flour stay in the spotlight. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Thinly slice 2 medium yellow onions, about 12 ounces total, then toss them in the small bowl with 1 teaspoon of fine salt and let them rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, gently squeeze the salted onions in the bowl. This releases their moisture, which will help 1 cup of gram flour turn into a batter without needing much water. Now add 1 cup of gram flour and 2 tablespoons of rice flour to the softened onions, scattering the flours evenly so every onion strand can catch some coating. Add 1 finely chopped small green chili, 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger, 3 tablespoons of chopped cilantro, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix everything by hand, squeezing lightly as you go, until the onions are fully coated and the mixture looks shaggy rather than smooth. Add 3 tablespoons of water slowly, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing after each addition. Stop when the batter just holds the onions together in loose clumps. Pour 3 cups of neutral oil into the black kadai and heat it over medium heat until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep the kadai no more than half full for safe frying. Test the oil with a small pinch of batter. It should sizzle right away and rise to the surface in about 5 seconds. If it sinks heavily, let the oil heat a little longer. Drop loose spoonfuls of batter into the hot oil, using about 2 tablespoons for each pakora. Fry in small batches so the oil stays hot and the edges can crisp. Let the pakoras fry undisturbed on the first side for 2 minutes. This sets the batter, locks in the onion strands, and starts the lacy crust. Turn the pakoras gently with the spider skimmer, then keep frying for 3 to 4 minutes more, moving them once or twice so every side becomes evenly golden. When the pakoras are deep golden brown and crisp, lift them from the oil and let them drain on the skimmer for 1 minute before moving them aside. Repeat with the remaining batter in small batches, letting the oil return to 350 degrees Fahrenheit between batches so every pakora fries crisp instead of greasy. Pile the hot pakoras onto the matte cream plate and finish with the reserved 1 tablespoon of cilantro. That completes the cooking part, and our cheap and easy Indian onion pakoras are ready for the final reveal. And there they are, crisp, golden, budget-friendly Indian onion pakoras that deliver exactly what we promised, a cheap and easy fried snack with big flavor. Serve them hot and enjoy the crunch right away. If you liked this recipe, Please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more.